Croeso nôl, welcome back to my regular series of Leaders Blogs, and I'm here at Central Square in what is Wales's largest regeneration scheme. Just to see progress, and behind me you've got the BBC building coming up really quick now, and that's designed by Norman Foster and Partners. It's going to be a really fantastic new headquarters for the BBC right in the heart of Cardiff. And behind the BBC building is already number 1 Central Square that's fully occupied, and number 2 Central Square is under construction too. This of course is the site of what will be the new interchange building, and behind me work is just getting started now on the demolition of the old NCP car park, and this is really going to open this site up ready for the development of that new scheme. And then on the other side of Wood Street we've got agreement now to sell land. The council is selling its ownership in the land there to create an opportunity for another office development around the tax offices and a new public square as well. A huge scheme, a lot taking place here, it's changing all the time, and it's a real credit to all of those involved in this project that is continuing to drive forward the city at a time when we want to create more jobs and better paid jobs in Cardiff.